Today is not for diplomacy or anything, it's just for breaking bread. So please relax and hear it. Good afternoon, welcome. Echi, as is the custom when I'm here, I normally invite your staff to come and break bread with me. Interestingly, today falls on Anakwesidae, so it's a combination of me inviting my children to come, at the same time also celebrating Anakwesidae. So it's a two-pronged one. This morning I did the traditional one, where I poured libation and then remembered my ancestors and everything. And this afternoon, as we do in Menchia, also after the actual celebration, then we go to the palace to break bread. And that's where we have fun. So this afternoon, my staff at the embassy, the High Commissioner and his staff are here to break bread with me. And then my delegation also from Kumasi are also here to join you. So that is the short celebration that we are having. So please relax, don't make it look like it's formal and therefore we have to, and then don't look at me and say, Otumfuo is this. Enjoy yourself there. Please have time and enjoy yourself. That's all what I wanted. That is the essence of why we are here. So please, good afternoon and relax and feel free. This is your house and then you can do whatever you want. Whatever you want, please ask and they will give them to you. So thank you very much for coming. Echi, thank you very much. Our son, the ambassador of Angola to South Africa, who was born in Ghana, and he was the Angolan ambassador to Ghana before coming here. And my chief director, who's been looking after me every time of foreign affairs, he's also here with me. Mr. Samuel Kwabna, who was with the WHO, now retired and then running AC Mall in Ghana. And then my son, Bright Ibinedion, my brother, Chief Ibinedion Esama of Benin Kingdom, that's the son. And he also, because I'm here, has flown in on Friday to come and be with me for a week before I go. Mr. Kofi Seche, who is the MC now, turned MC. When I saw him being the MC, I said, hey Kofi, now you are the MC. Seasoned banker, financial man, he owns a bank in Malawi, Zambia, he's worked on HSBC and everything. Comes to Ghana, and unfortunately Ghana didn't allow him to work for us, so he came back. So that's why we reject our people who can do so much for us. But then I'm saying that Kofi, no, you are coming back again, so you will definitely come. That these are the people here. Thank you very much. Thank you.